Alright, so I've got a project open with some drummer footage we shot. So I've got a clip here that's got a snare drum, and we're going to say that this surface of the snare drum is pure white. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to add this clip to our timeline here, and what we're going to do is select it and come right here to balanced color, and there's also a keyboard shortcut if that's your style, and we're going to click on balanced color. And up here you'll see it populate in the inspector. Now this was an option before, but what they've added here under this automatic is a white balance feature here. That's something similar to what we used to do in Final Cut Pro 7 with the little clicker here. You see this little eyedropper tool here. Now when it's blue and you see this text here, what it's wanting you to do is just like you did with the 3 color wheel in Final Cut 7, is select the white area. So we're just going to say that this surface of this snare drum is exactly the white that we want. So we're just going to click it, and that's it. Now what you do have to do is when this thing is blue, it's still wanting you to select an area. See, I could be selecting all sorts of areas. When you've got your white selection, come back over here and unclick it, and then you'll be completely done with the white balance correction. And you can see as we uncheck the white balance box, you can see the alterations made. Now if you want to take it further, say we were going to do a full sequence with a bunch of clips we shot in the same lighting in the same setting as I did here. Let's go find a couple more clips here. Let's get our drummer down there. We'll throw him down on the sequence. And then, no, it doesn't matter. Here, sure, we'll throw a little hi-hat in there. Alright, so all these were shot in the same time with the same camera settings and the same lighting. So the nice thing about Final Cut Pro 10 is that we can, well, let's just go in here and take it a little further actually. Let's say, alright, we've done our white balance. Now let's go over to our color board, say, hey, we want to dive the blacks a little bit, come over here, bump the saturation. So everything we do, we can now apply to every other clip we've had. Now you only want to do this if you want to apply the same color corrections to each clip. So like I said, we shot all these at the same time and we want these to look similar. So all you have to do is come over here and copy, then select all your other clips, and then do an Apple Option paste. And you'll see the render bar show up here because we've applied the colors. So if I select each one of these, we can go back and see that the balanced color has been applied. Go into the color board, the saturation, everything we did to this first clip is now been applied to both of these clips, so everything looks similar. I highly recommend trying to get the white balance correct in your camera before you even hit record, but I know that's not always possible. So if for some reason you do need to make some quick white balance adjustments, this is a great new tool that the upgrade to Final Cut has added. So hopefully this was helpful for you.